Here are this week's Pool Together community podcast highlights.
So when we first started this reference implementation of Collab.Land, it was all on Telegram. And that's where crypto is still. And you don't have to necessarily build the whole stack yourselves. And so just kind of a lesson here for those that are getting into development, crypto, even AI, all of this. You don't have to have your own platform. You can actually build on top of others. And we've seen that successfully with like Zynga and Farmville. And you see that also with a bunch of apps in the Apple App Store as well. And I think that there is definitely a lesson there, is that you don't have to build everything from scratch. You don't have to boil the ocean day one. You can start small. And then once you get some momentum, you continue to grow. That allowed us now to have our own Collab.Land marketplace. Now you can, as a third-party developer, you can just extend the Collab.Land bot yourself. And we have turned Collab.Land from this token gating into a distribution platform. We have over 50,000 tokenized communities that have installed the bot. And so I think for us, it's that lesson coming from Facebook, extended through Apple and the App Store. And now we are trying to pay it forward by allowing third-party developers to just extend the Collab.Land bot and make it really easy to get your app noticed.
So here it's like Discord does it best. And they've spent, how many billions of dollars perfecting this platform. And so what do you want to do? Like for us, it was like having a place for tokenized communities to meet. So if you can get into that kind of thinking, which is like interoperability and building together, that's really how to elevate yourself in this space.
So I would love to know about like using Discord and Telegram as creative constraint in what you want to do, and how does that work as far as product building?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. I do think that the constraints provide creativity. And, when we were solely on Telegram, there was that existential issue of like, what if the platform shuts you down? The great thing about what we're doing in Web3 is those that are owning a token that form a community around a shared governance contract or model, is that they can hop around, right? We actually are in the midst of refining a Collab.Land SDK so that you can actually use the same rules that you have in Telegram, Discord, and apply them to a website. And so now you can have website gating. And so I think that the shared ownership, that changes the game a bit. And actually it's critical so that now these communities can leverage the platform instead of just being leveraged by the platform. And I think also in this kind of, major tech wave that we're seeing, I do believe there is this future where AI and crypto have this collision course where we're going to, with the no-code tools, redefine what it means to be a developer. And so we're lowering the bar, and AI is going to help that. AI is helping itself, where current versions of AI are generating and making the next version of itself. You're going to be able to just speak in regular natural language to an AI, and you're going to be able to make apps. But on the flip side, we're going to also need to protect ourselves. And this is where decentralized IDs come in. So I think it's all in this next cycle as we, get out of this bear, there's going to be something there.
Right. When we think about Collab.Land, we think about all the communities that we support and working together with everyone else in this crypto community space in order to help communities thrive and survive. So yes, we don't want there to be a limitation on where crypto communities go. Like James mentioned about we also have a token gated website product, and we also have the SDK that's going to be open. So if you've ever connected with Collab.Land on Telegram or on Discord, then you'll be able to move your community anywhere you want. And that is open for everybody. That's the beauty of this space.
And just to kind of bring it back a little bit to AI as well, we have a lot of products that are in the works that we're going to announce, and super excited by the ability to have reputation. So we turn crypto from which people think of just purely financial into an identity play where people can verify and build up their reputation online. So part of that unlock will be under collateralized or non-collateralized loans as well, because that's basically what your credit score is. It's just your reputation. Why can't we have this be democratized and decentralized?
Thanks for listening. You can download the full episode of this week's Pool Together Community Podcast on your favorite podcast app.